Welcome to SocialInviter. We have 4 products: Contact Importer, Friends Inviter, Social Connect, and Social Post. Let's go to our account. Getting started involves 3 steps: getting a trial key, configuring your API keys, and downloading the code. Let's create a new trial. Since we're going to be working from scratch, let's choose the I don't have a domain option. Now that we've created all of our licenses, let's configure our API keys. Let's start with Contact Importer. In order to get started with Gmail, let's create the app. So after creating our project and entering in all of our information, we need to create an OAuth credential. So select OAuth client ID, choose the web application. So we need to set the authorized redirect URL to our localhost and add OAuth.html. Click Create. Now we just need to copy the keys to our account and set the return URL to localhost along with OAuth.html. Now that we've completed Gmail, let's move on to Social Connect. Let's configure Google. Now let's copy the client ID back into the configuration, and then provide the localhost URL with OAuth.html at the end. Now that we're done with Google, let's move on to Friends Inviter. Let's configure Twitter. Go to the keys and access tokens. Copy the API key back into the configuration. Setting the return URL to localhost with OAuth. Now that we're done with Twitter, let's move on to Social Poster. Let's use Twitter. Let's copy that same API key back into the configuration. Setting your return URL with OAuth.html. Now that we're done with Twitter, let's download the code. Download the plugin code, and let's select ASP.NET. After you save it, extract it, and open it in Visual Studio. Now open the web config and see your licenses. Let's go to the Contact Importer code behind file and enter a breakpoint. Now run the code. Allow access. Now that we've hit our breakpoint, let's walk through the code. As you can see, the details are available in the backend. Let's look at the page. Our contacts are available for selection. Now let's move on to the Friends Inviter. Again, let's put a breakpoint. Let's select Twitter. As you can see, the list of friends is available here. Let's go back to the app. Let's send a message. And as you can see, the message is sent. Now let's go to the next product. But first, let's put a breakpoint. Let's go to Google. As we can see, the user info is available. Let's go back to the app. User info is available in the app. Let's go back to Social Post. So let's choose Twitter. On click, our post is shared immediately. Let's check Twitter. And as we can see, our tweet has been posted. Thank you.